guys, I'm just cleaning my van. I stole Kimberly's vacuum because I have cat hair and dog hair everywhere and it's just out of control right now. But so I'm gonna do that, and I'm finally going to put my that I've been complaining that I need it forever, and it's been just in the box for like 3 weeks, 4 weeks. So I'll set that up. I'm like the worst with live stuff. Alright. Just gonna... Oh, there he is.
Yeah, man. You know, I've had hundreds of fish here.
Hundreds?
Look at me. But not want to eat.
Alright.
You know how it is, rejection. I'm used to it. Thank you guys for jumping in here. How's everyone doing? Anyone doing any fishing today?
No. Okay, I'm gonna get cleaning.
I brought you guys in here because I know you will help me catch a fish with your luck. But all we caught today was 3 jumbo perch. All this morning. It was really foggy. You couldn't see a thing out here. The ice is still between like 3 to 5 inches.
Help if I can work it.
Aaron, Whitcomb, trying to get out of work so I can get on the ice, man. Where are you gonna try to get go on the ice, Aaron?
Whatever.
Fishing. You guys in here is because I have not been catching anything but marking a bunch, so maybe not paying attention will get me a fish. What is up, 40 below life? It is not 40 below here, it is 50 degrees here. Better. Sweet. Good.
Maybe I should watch this.
Good. Hey, 3 fat catfish.
Okay.
3 fat catfish. Oh, man, I'm ready for open water, too.
So,
I got my kayak, and I just want to get on open water.
Sorry, not sorry. You gotta turn it down for a minute. Okay, so I've been having issues with my battery. Like, if I don't start my van every, other day or something, it just won't start. So I've been having to jump it with Kim's car. So I don't know, my stepdad said that it could be, oh, I already forgot what he said. But he said to have him check it with something to make sure my battery's okay. Which I did that when I was in Austin, and I didn't start for a week because I was staying at Lauren's because she was finna move, and then I was helping her there, and but they said okay, they didn't really tell me anything about my battery now that I think about it. But so I'm trying to organize just because I took a bunch of my bedding and stuff out to wash it, and it's my spring cleaning. So I'm trying to get this done. I'm watching Colorado Fishers live. I don't know what's going on now. I feel bad. I'm a horrible, I don't know what's happening. I've missed too much. Okay.
Man, it's nice. Okay, you know what? I'm going to take my jacket off.
I have, random bags.
Yeah, that's very true.
Look how cute it is. I got that at Barnes & Noble when I used to work there. Oh my grand got that years ago.
Thank you guys for joining me. I know you could be doing a lot of other things like watching TV or something.
I need to fix this purse because...
Have I tried out a biobait? You know, I have not. I keep it simple when I'm out here fishing. I just use a Swedish pimple. How thick is your ice? 4.5, 5 inches.
Look how cute they are.
Yeah, man, I could never imagine moving out of this state.
Okay.
I'm going to ice fish again the next few days. Yeah, I can't wait. I'm going to a
A
jumbo.
bikini top from a previous video. Not me wearing a go, so.
I believe here.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh, I bought
Chris, are you hot?
a waterproof mattress cover too because oops, I have a really bad habit of like drinking coffee in bed while I'm trying to work. And I spill it every time. Every time.
Earlier.
My only catch of the day so far, 11.5-inch perch.
Okay.
Did you bring your kite? Why? Oh, fuck. Did you hear what he said? Ha! I'm hitting. Fucking Paul Sauer said, bring your kite to Jumbo Saturday. You know what that means?
Ooh, okay, I gotta let all this stuff air out.
Oh man, that's gonna be windy. Oh damn.
ratchet shop things. And I have...
with fish, but I got a shit ton of homework, yeah.
Like...
Tell me about it. I got a shit ton of work. I wasn't feeling good earlier, so I gotta catch up on all that work.
Oh my god, why won't it fit?
Homework always got in the way. I will never go back to school, damn it. I'm good. School's never good. Ashley knows what school's all about.
He's talking about me.
Okay, now every time the wind comes by, it's like the worst.
So, Kimberly just texted me and she's bringing milkshakes home.
It is so warm out here.
I should make her help me clean my van.
Oh my god, come on. Fucking nibble. Come on!
Okay, we'll go in the van then. Hey, Tatum. Go in the van. You got it? Do you need help? Okay. Move. Alright, you gotta go up there or something, man. There's not enough room for you. She'll finna go under the bed. Come on, Paul. There's not enough room for the both of us. Mama's cleaning. Here, come up here. Ugh. Here. Okay, Tatum. Jesus. Oh, mother. Here. Tatum. Go up there. Look. Here. Here's a blanket. Go up here. Come on. All the way. Oh. Don't go out the back door. Oh my god. I got too much shit. So Kimberly got me a shake. It's mint chocolate chip. Okay. So this is the first round of my bedding that I washed. Why are you so dramatic? You ain't gotta be like that. Nope, stay up there. Stay up there. I can see you. Mama's gonna start putting all this stuff back under the bed. As you want to see the random stuff I have in my van. So, random seashells and rocks. Yep. Oh, this one's pretty cool though. I forgot what it's called. But it was from in Oklahoma. Like, in that little panhandle. We were on our way out, Lauren and I. But, okay, this thing is vacuumed. My vinegar. My vinegar and water. It's just vinegar and water. But, so I try... Oh. Ugh. Oh, I try to use the more like natural stuff with the dogs I'm using stuff. So like their bug spray that I make is water, apple cider vinegar. Actually, I don't even think I put, do I put water in it? No, I done forgot. But apple cider vinegar, lavender oil. I think that's it. I might be wrong on that. I don't even know. I think that's all I'm going to do for now. I'm so lazy. Yeah. Tatum, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? You better stay up there. You better stay up there. You better stay up there, Tatum. No! You're coming down. Stay there. Fine, come down. Ah, stay in the van, though. It's raining. That's what I thought. You listen to mama. You listen to your mama. You're not getting my ice cream either. Girl, you tripping. You tripping. And now she's sitting on me. She's straight up just sitting on me. Tatum, why are you sitting on me? I'm trying to do important stuff. Why are you sitting on me?